Hey everyone, Mrs. Mindwave here, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into AI-powered coding education. Ever felt like learning to code is overwhelming? What if AI could make it easier, more interactive, and fun? In this video, I'll show you 5 of the best AI-powered websites to learn coding in 2025. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills. And don't worry, I've linked all these websites below, so you can check them out later. Let's dive in. First up, we have Codecademy, a platform you might already know. Codecademy now offers interactive coding lessons with AI assistance. Imagine having a coding buddy who never gets tired of answering your questions. The platform provides real-time feedback, catching those pesky syntax errors. Codecademy's AI explains the concepts behind the code, like a personal tutor. They offer a variety of programming languages, from JavaScript to Python. Codecademy constantly updates their courses with the latest technologies. Ready to start coding with an AI guide? Check out Codecademy using my link below. You won't regret it. Next is DataCamp, perfect for aspiring data scientists. DataCamp specializes in Python, the go-to language for data analysis and machine learning. What sets DataCamp apart is its AI-driven personalized learning. The AI assesses your skill level and curates a customized learning path. It's like having a personal trainer for your brain. The AI monitors your performance, adjusting the curriculum to ensure you grasp the concepts. DataCamp offers career tracks aligned with specific data science roles. Whether you want to be a data analyst or a machine learning engineer, DataCamp has you covered. Now, let's talk about Codecademy, a pioneer in free, high-quality education. Codecademy's coding courses cover a wide range of programming concepts and languages. With AI integration, learning to code on Codecademy is more engaging and effective. The AI provides personalized hints and tips, guiding you towards the solution. This AI-powered support system keeps you motivated and engaged. It's like having a patient and knowledgeable tutor by your side. Let's talk about Replit AI, a platform that turns coding into a real-time, interactive experience. Replit AI offers a seamless coding environment with everything you need in one place. Its AI-powered code generation feature helps you write code faster and more efficiently. Simply describe what you want your code to do, and Replit AI suggests code snippets and functions. Replit AI also helps you refactor your code, making it cleaner and more organized. And if you run into bugs, Replit AI's debugging tools are there to help you squash them quickly. Finally, let's talk about Coursera and Udemy. These platforms have integrated AI into their coding programs. Many courses now offer AI-powered tutors that provide personalized feedback. Imagine working on a complex project and receiving instant insights from an AI tutor. These AI tutors analyze your code, identify areas for improvement, and suggest alternative approaches. They can answer your questions and offer encouragement just like a real-life tutor. And the best part? these AI tutors are available 24/7, so you can get help whenever you need it. So there you have it, 5 of the best AI-powered websites to learn coding in 2025, whether you want interactive lessons, AI tutors, or structured courses. There's something for everyone. I'm excited to see how these platforms continue to evolve and empower more people to unlock their coding potential. Which of these platforms sounds the most helpful to you? Let me know in the comments. And remember, I've linked all these websites below, so you can check them out for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI and tech insights, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, keep coding and keep exploring.